Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to First PUC Statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to draw percentage bar diagram. In this class we are going to discuss second type of diagram, that is two-dimensional diagram. We know that in types of diagrams. So what are the types of diagrams are there? The first one is one-dimensional diagram. Second one is two-dimensional diagram. Third one is three-dimensional diagram. Fourth one is pictograms. And cartograms. So these are the types of diagrams. First one is one-dimensional diagram, two-dimensional diagram, three-dimensional diagram and pictograms and cartograms. And in that we already discussed what is one-dimensional diagram and types of one-dimensional diagram. So what is one-dimensional diagram? One-dimensional diagram is diagrams are drawn, only one dimension is known as one-dimensional diagram. So what is two-dimensional diagram? So two-dimensional diagrams is diagrams are drawn by considering two dimension is known as two-dimensional diagram. So one-dimensional diagram in the sense what? Diagrams are drawn by considering only one dimension is called one-dimensional diagram. Then two-dimensional diagram in the sense diagrams are drawn by considering two dimension is called two-dimensional diagram. And we know that one-dimensional diagrams are bar diagrams and here two-dimensional diagrams are area diagrams. This is bar diagrams, this is area diagrams. And see here height or length of bars to be considered. So here heights and width of the bars are considered. See, so these are one-dimensional diagrams are bar diagrams and here heights of bars are considered, and two-dimensional diagrams are area diagrams. Here height and width of the bars are considered. And we already discussed in one-dimensional diagram there are four types are there, that is simple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, component bar diagram and percentage bar diagram. Like that in two-dimensional diagram there are four types are there, that is rectangles, squares, circles and the last one is pie diagram. So types of two-dimensional diagrams are rectangle, squares, circles and pie diagrams. So based on your present syllabus we will going to discuss only about pie diagrams. So pie diagram is pie diagram is a circle. Pie diagram is a circle. We know that circle is like this. See here this circle is divided into sectors to represent the components. So how to divide? See, this circle is divided into different sectors like this. So these sectors are based on components, and to find sectors, so we need to we need to convert these components into angles. So how to convert components into angles? To convert component into angles, we using the formula, that is, I will write here, that formula is, yes, angles of individual components is equal to individual value divided by total value into 360. Okay, this is the formula to calculate angles. So to calculate angles, here formula is angles of individual component is equal to individual value divided by total value into 360. So how to convert angles? Let me explain with the help of a problem. See, here given problem is like this, that is, the following table shows the cost structure of Indian hotel industry in percentages. Draw a pie diagram to represent the data. See, here given informations are, cost components are given, that is administrative, employees payment, repairs, then food and beverages, then power and selling expenses are given, and here total expenses are given in percentage. So in administrative 30% is given, then employees payment 20% are given, then repairs 14% given, food and beverages 12% are given, then for power 16% is given, and for selling expensive here 80% cost are given. So these are the total expenses. So based on this cost component, so to draw pie diagram, so this problem is based on pie diagram. So to draw pie diagram, we need to convert this total expensive into angles. So how to convert this total expensive into angles? Using this formula, we can convert this total expensive into angles. So first I will convert this total expensive into angles. See, here the formula is angles of individual component is equal to individual value divided by total value into 360. See the first individual component, the first component administrative. So for this value, how to convert into angles? So so here for this component, the individual value of this component is 30. So in this formula, in the place of individual value, I will substitute 30 and divided by, we need to substitute total value. Total value in the sense what? That is total of this expensive. Total of this expensive. So first we need to, before converting this individual value into angles, we need to find total of this expensive. So here given observations are 30 plus 20 plus 14 plus 12 plus 16 plus 8. So that is 100. This total is 100. So here I will write 100. See, here 100 is total. Okay. Now let me first I will convert the first value, that is administrative. See, in administrative component, this is individual component. In this individual component, that individual value is 30. So in the place of individual value, I will substitute 30 divided by, so total value. So here total value is 100. So in the place of total value, we need to substitute 100 into 360 degree. 360 degree. Why it is degree? Because this is angles. So this is equal to 30 divided by 100 into 360, that is 108 degree. Okay. Next component is employment payment. So here individual value 20. So in the place of individual value, we need to substitute 20 divided by total value is 100 into 360. 360 degree, that is 20 divided by 100 into 360, that is 72. 72 degree. Okay, next individual component is repairs. So here it is individual value 14 divided by total value. So here total value is 100 into 360 degree, that is equal to 14 divided by 100 into 360 degrees 50.4. So 50.4. See this 50.4 approximately 50 only. So here we will take 50 degree. Next is food and beverages. So food and beverages. So here individual component is food and beverages. So for this individual value is 12. So in the place of individual value I will substitute 12. 12 divided by total value. So here total value is 100 into 360 degree. So that is equal to 12 divided by 100 into 360 is 43.2 degrees. So see here after decimal point this first digit is less than 5. Therefore I will write approximate value, that is 43 degree. Okay, next. Okay, this is degree. Okay. Yeah. Next component, individual component is power. So power individual value is 16. 16 divided by total value is 100 and here into 360 degree. So that is, this is equal to 16 divided by 100 into 360 degrees 57.6. So 57.6, after a point the value is more than 5, therefore I will take the approximate value. So see here it is 57.6 degree. See here after decimal point this value is more than 5, therefore I will take the approximate value, that is 58 degree. Okay, next last component, that is selling expensive. So selling expensive, this is individual component. For this individual value is 8. 8 divided by total value, that is 100 into 360 degrees. So 360 we need to substitute here. This is equal to 8 divided by 100 into 360 degrees 28.8. See here after decimal point this first digit is more than 5, therefore I will take the approximate value 29. And okay, now let me confirm this angle calculation is proper or not. So if I get this total angle is 360, then our calculation is proper. So let me check that. First one is 108 plus 72 plus 50 plus 43 plus 58 plus 29 is 360. So here total is 360 degree. Okay, this is how to convert total expensive into angles. So next, so how to draw pie diagram using these angles. So before drawing pie diagram we need to write suitable title for this pie diagram. So see the question. So which title is suitable? Let me check. So question is, the following table shows the cost structure of Indian hotel industry in percentage. Draw a pie diagram to represent the data. So here suitable title is pie diagram representing the cost structure of Indian hotel industry. So here title is pie diagram representing cost structure of Indian hotel industry. See, this is the suitable title. So title is pie diagram representing cost structure of Indian hotel industry. Okay. Now I will draw. See, I already told pie diagram is a circle. So how to draw circles? So circle is like this. See, this is one circle, and first I will draw one radius. This is one radius. So first, before drawing this, I will give some index, shading mark or index to this cost component. The first one is administrative. For this I will give, for administrative I will give like this shading mark. So this index for administrative. Next is employment payment. For that I will do like this. This index for employment shading. Employee payment. Employee payment. Next is repair. For repair I will do like this. So this is for repair. Next is food and beverage. For food and beverage I will do shading mark is like this. Okay, this is index for food and beverage. Okay, next is power. To power I will do index is like this. This is for power. And the last one is selling expensive. For that I will do shading is like this. Okay, now see, this is radius from, now first I will do angle for administrative. See the angle for administrative. See, for administrative the angle is 108 degree. So here I will keep this protractor like this. So from this point like this. So here it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there 108, 100 is here and 109 is here, 108 is here. So here I will put one mark like this. After that I will join these lines like this. This angle is 108 degree. So for that I will do the shading. See, this angle is 108 degree. Okay, now I will do, okay, no need to write like this. Okay, for this the index is like this. So in the place of this administrative angle I will do this shading. Okay, next, second component is employees payment. So employees payment angle is 72 degree. So here I will keep this protractor like this. And see, here it is 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here it is 72, 70 is here and 71 is here, 72 is here. So here I will do the mark like this. Next I will join these points. And for this the shading mark is like this. Okay, next is repairs. So repair angle is 50%, and see, again we need to keep this like this, and see here 0 is here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here we need to do one mark like this. After the same thing we need to join these lines, this point to this point like this. So next, for repair the shading is like this. So this is the index for repair. So here I will do the shading like this. Okay, next, food and beverages. For food and beverages the angle is 43 degree. So again we need to keep this protractor like this, and see here it is 40, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 is here, and 43, 1, 2, 3, so 43 is here. And for this food and beverages, the shading mark is like this. You can do anything, okay, this is not compulsory. Okay, next is power. So power is 58 degree. So again we need to keep this like this in this mark. So here it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here it is 60. So see, here it is 60, here it is 59, and here it is 58 degree. So for this is power, right? For power the shading mark is like this. Yeah, for power index is like this. Okay, next is the last one is selling expensive. See the selling expensive component here, and for this angle is 29%. Sorry, 29 degrees. So again we need to keep this protractor like this in this mark, and let me check. So here it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, once again let me check this one. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, correct. Okay, next last one is 29. We need 29. So again we need to like this. First one is 108. Next is 72. Next is 50. Next is 43. Next is 58. Okay, next the remaining angle is selling expensive. So this area represents the selling expensive. So for this the index is like this. So see here, this angle represents this total angle is 360 degree, and the first angle represents 108 degree. So this area represents the administrative expenditure, and this area represents employees payment expenditure, and this area represents repair expenditure, and this area represents food and beverage expenditure, and this area represents power expenditure, and the last one, this area represents, this area is 29 degree, and this area represents selling expenditure. Okay, this is all about pie diagram representing cost structure of Indian hotel industry. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.